Good evening, sir. My name is Rahul Gaonkar, and I'm just a student. I just need to ask you, in the Islamic religion, why the Shias Muslim people are given less importance compared to other Muslims. I have also heard one of my Muslim friends that they are not even allowed to drink water from a Shia family, not even a water. Okay, means I just need to ask means. It is also said that means in Iraq there was a Saddam Hussein has done, he has spread a chemical gas, he has done a cruelism on Shia's people as compared to Hitler has done on Jewish people in the Second World War. So don't you think it's an injustice? I also need to know that means what exactly the Shia's people has done a mistake in the Islamic religion before. So means still they're suffering right now these days.
The brother asked the question that why are Shias considered inferior and what mistake they have done, why Saddam Hussein killed them like Hitler has killed Germany with chemical weapons, etc. In Islam, there is no Shia Sunni. There is no Shia Sunni in Islam. I'll give the answer. I'll give the answer. I'll give the answer and then you're most welcome. In Islam, there is no Shia Sunni. What Quran says in Surah Al-Imran, chapter 3, verse number 103, وَاتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. Hold to the rope of Allah strongly and be not divided. We have to hold to the rope of Allah, the Quran, and the teachings of the Prophet, the Sahih Hadith. If you hold to them, then you're a true Muslim. There is no Shia Sunni in Islam, and there's no sect in Islam. The Quran says in Surah Anam, chapter number 6, verse number 159, O Prophet, anyone who makes division, who makes sects in the religion of Islam, you have nothing to do with him. Allah will look after their affairs on the day of judgment. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad said that there will be 73 sects in Muslim. Out of that, only one will go to Jannah. The Sahabas asked, which one? Those who follow me and my Sahabas. Those who follow Quran and the authentic teachings of the Prophet. So, the Quran says, don't make sects. Our Prophet said, even though the Quran says, there will be some people who will make sects. How many? 73. The one who will be on the true path is one who doesn't make sects. So anyone who calls himself anything besides Muslims, the word is Muslim. Muslim means a person who submits his will to God. What was the Prophet? Was he Shia? Was he Sunni? What was he? He was Muslim.